Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get verified in Roblox. So here's my Roblox app. It's a little bit different than yours because I got this thing down here that says verified badge dev mode access. So when I press that, it's going to perform a trust and safety validation and basically give me the Roblox verified badge. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download this app so you can get the verified badge as well. So let's just see if it goes through. And I'm going to show you guys, so I'm going to press continue because it says I passed all those requirements, and I will show this to you again in the other screen so you guys can see with a bigger camera, but let's just wait. Alright, I'm applying fast track and now it's elevating privileges for me, so I should be on the up and up to get the badge. So let's see if it actually goes through. So we should be verified, and as you can see, there's the badge right there. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this. So let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, I'm going to show you this video one more time. So go to the settings and you'll see the verified badge. Press that, press begin validation, and it's basically going to validate you. So I'm just going to wait for this to load here, as you can see. And then I should have the badge and I should be verified on Roblox. So I'm going to press continue. Alright, so let's see if it actually goes up. And then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So apply fast track, all this stuff. Alright, let's see what happens. And it says like assigning privileges and all this stuff. So let's just give it a second for this to load. And then I'm going to show you guys how to get the verified badge for free, guys, obviously. So yes, super cool. So let's just give it a second for this to load. And there you go, verified badge active. So I'm going to show you guys how to get the Roblox verified badge. So all you have to do is type in matrixmods.com. So in the search bar, just type in Roblox and go ahead and press on it, press download. And before this downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you just want to download 2 apps, follow the instructions, and then you should have the verified badge. So I'm just going to wait for this to load. So as you can see, guys, it's going to load up. And it's basically going to have you do this like verification where you have to download 2 apps, and then you get the badge. So as you can see, Family Island says reach level 11, so it's like a game. So I'd play this until I'm level 11. Then I got match to win says down reach level 11 as well, so that one's a game. So I just gotta play it until I'm level 11. So have fun, guys, but that's how to get the verified badge on Roblox without being a creator. So as you can see, I just run this right here, so it's super simple. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty easy. Also, if you press help, there's a video you can watch. So if you get really confused, you can just watch that. But yeah, that's how I get verified in Roblox. So if you guys are tired of paying for the badge that you can buy like someone's account that's already verified, if you don't want to do that, be sure to try us out, because as you can see, I do have the verified badge right there. So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super amazing, guys. And it actually works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. It's super cool. And it's updated for iOS and Android. So yeah, I mean, I haven't had any problems with this at all. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. And peace out.